Hello friends, welcome to N Universe Double 2. In this video, we will learn how to solve the numerical that is from inclined plane surface submerged in liquid. So firstly, I read the statement. An annular plate 2 meter external diameter and 1 meter internal diameter with its greatest and least depth below the surface being 1.5 meter and 0.75 meter respectively. Calculate the magnitude, direction and location of the force acting upon one side of the plate due to water surface. So firstly, on the basis of the given statement, we try to plot the diagram, and I write here that is the solution. And here is the term that is annular plate. So the word annular meaning that is circular ring type. So circular ring type, this is the shape of the plate that is like that. This is like a hollow circle with thickness. It has two diameter, one is external diameter, another is internal diameter, and both the diameters are given, that is 2 meter is external diameter and 1 meter is internal diameter. But there is a two depth are given from the surface of water. Greatest depth is 1.5 meter and least depth is 0.75 meter. So on the basis of this depth, we can say this is the inclined submerged in the liquid. So now try to plot the diagram. This is free surface of liquid, and here this is the liquid in which annular plate is submerged. So here two depths are given. First is that is 0.75 meter. This is least depth. Another is that is 1.5 meter. These are two depths are given. So I plot a line or plane from through this depth. So it makes some angle with the free surface of liquid. This is angle theta. And the value of theta that is not given, we can say that theta that is unknown value. So on the basis of these depth, we try to plot the diagram. So here this is the shape of annular plate, and this is the external diameter that is 2 meter it is given, and it is internal diameter that is 1 meter, this is given, and this is the G point that is the center of gravity. And the center of gravity that lies at a distance of h bar from the free surface of liquid. And in case of inclined plane surface, the point this is the point C, that is the center of pressure that always lies below the center of gravity, and this is the distance, and this distance that is h star. So this is the diagram on the basis of given statement. So firstly, we need to find out the angle theta, and this is like a hollow cylinder and hollow circle we can say, and this is the solid part of this section. And this distance is also equal to 2 meter. So if I write here, this is point A, this is point B, this point C. So if I plot a triangle here, this is a triangle, this is point D. So from here I have a triangle that is ADC. This is a right angle triangle, this is angle 90 and this is angle theta. And AC I have, that is 2 meter. And the distance A to D, this is the distance, this is 0.75 and this distance is 0.75 and total distance is 1.5 meter, and the value of AD, that is equal to 1.5 minus 0.75. So now I plot this triangle and I have the triangle that is this is point C, this is point A, this is point D, and this is 2 meter. Oh, sorry. This is point D, this is point A. This is D point. This distance is 2 meter and AD, that is the 1.5 minus 0.75, this is angle theta. So from this triangle, sine theta, that is equal to, that is AD upon AC, and AD, that is 1.5 minus 0.75, AC, that is 2 meter. So that is equal to 0.375, theta, that is equal to sine inverse 0.375, that is equal to 22 degree. So here we can see the value of theta, that is 22 degree. So now we try to find out the area of the plate. Area of the annular plate. So that is equal to pi by 4. Its internal external diameter, suppose it is capital D, internal diameter, that is small d. So that is pi by 4, 2 square minus 1 square, and this is equal to 2.356 meter square after calculation. And now if I have this value, for getting the value AD I have get this value. So if I have this value and I got the value of theta, and if I need a value of AB, if I plot another triangle, this is triangle AB, this is E, this is point E, this is angle theta, and now I have another triangle. So if I plot this triangle, that is this is a triangle ABE, this is angle theta, that is equal to 22, and this is 90 degree, and AB, this is the half of diameter, that 2, that is equal to 1 meter. A to B, this is 1 meter, this is half of 2 meter length. So this AB, that is 1 meter. So from this triangle I can get the value of AE. So here from in this triangle, sine theta, that is equal to AE upon AB, and from here AE, this is equal to AB sine theta, and AB, that is equal to 1 into sine 22, theta is 22, so that is equal to 0.374. Here AE equal to 0.74. So if it is 0.374, so if AE is the 0.374, I can find out the value of H bar. If I subtract 1.5 minus AE, so that is equal to H bar. So here H bar, that is equal to 1.5 minus AE. So that is 1.5 minus 0.374. This is equal to 1.126 meter. This is the value of H bar. So now I can find out the value of total pressure force. Total pressure force, that is F equal to rho G A H bar. Rho, that is 1000, G, that is 9.81, area, that is 2.356, H bar, that is into 1.126. So finally this is equal to 26 kilonewton. This is the total pressure force. And here this force acts perpendicular to the plate. I can write here, this force acts perpendicular to the plate. So it is acting in a direction which is 90 minus 22 degree, that is 68 degree to the vertical. So this is the direction. And now I need to find out the value of H star. This is the point at which center of pressure lies. So in case of inclined plane surface, H star, this is equal to Ig sin square theta upon AH bar plus H bar. So that is equal to, in case of ring type circular plate, the Ig, that is pi by 64 d raised to power 4 minus d raised to power 4 external and internal diameter into sine 22 degree whole square upon area, that is pi by 4 d square minus small d square into H bar. H bar, that is equal to 1.126 plus H bar 1.126. So I substitute all the values. Pi by 4, 64, that is 2 raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power 4 into sine 22 whole square upon pi by 4 2 square minus 1 square into 1.126 plus 1.126. So after calculating that, this ratio, that is 0.1033 upon 2.651 plus 1.125, and finally this is equal to 1.164 meter. So this is the value of H star. So friend, in this video we have learned how to solve the numerical that is from inclined plane surface submerged in liquid. If you like this video, share with your friends and students. Don't forget to subscribe N Universe 22. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.